Alright, it's pizza time on the patio. This is the Camp Chef Artistry pizza oven. It fits on the Pro 90X 3-burner stove. You can see how it fits over the 2 burners, the closer 2 that are on the left. It's a nice oven. Been using it now for probably 3-4 months, but it comes complete with obviously the instructions, and this model is PZ90, I believe. Yes, it is. Comes with a complete cookbook as far as even doughs, crusts, and all that stuff. Pizza recipes, and if you need to, not sure what stove or pizza oven you need to get for your stove, you can go ahead and look at Camp Chef or follow the link below. A couple of the other things I did pick up from Camp Chef along with the pizza oven are these awesome pizza spatulas, which are nice and big. Can also double as a pizza peel for like a single serving pizza if you want to do 2 at once. And I did pick up the infrared thermometer. But the peel that I really like is this big one here. It's nice and thin and it's metal. I'll show you why I like metal peels as I'm cooking my pizza. But I have the oven turned on now. I just have the burners on low. Just want to make sure I don't overheat things right away. Just getting things used to being heated up. Here's what I do to any pizza sauce, spaghetti sauce. Make awesome. These are cherry tomatoes just sliced across the equator. It's olive oil, salt and pepper along with some coarse chopped onion and garlic. Go ahead and put this on the oven right now. I'll show you what I got in the oven. I got just a half sheet rack in there just to keep because the stone's plenty hot. I want to get the tomatoes up in the heat, not on the heat. So there we go. We'll roast those for probably at least 30 to 40 minutes. 29 minutes on the cherry tomatoes. The oven's kind of settled in here right around 400 degrees. You can see I still got the burners almost on low. Let's take a look at the tomatoes. Look at that. Looking nice. Let's put them back on there. Hour and 2 minutes on the cherry tomatoes. Let's take a look. Looking nice. You can see how nice and reduced down they are. You could do this with just regular tomatoes, heirloom tomatoes, cut them in half right on the equator, salt and pepper them, oil them up, season them to taste, bake them like that for 2-3 hours. Excellent tomato flavor. You can see how they reduce nice. Let these guys cool off here on the table, cover them with aluminum foil. We'll get our pizza going.
Let's go ahead and make the pizza. I'll show you what I got here. This is the store-bought dough. It's frozen. They have like 3 or 4 different flavors. This happens to be olive oil and herb. I took it out of the freezer 24 hours ago, put it in the fridge, and this has been resting on a room temp in this oiled bowl for probably about 2 hours. You can see how it poofed up rather nice. I also have my sauces, pepperoni sausage, onion, pepperoncinos, and my favorite cheese. But I want to make the pizza basically right on the peel. Put down my cornmeal. I don't want to beat the dough up too much. It's going to kind of let gravity do its work. I want to stretch the center too thin before I get the edges. I think if you wanted to, you can make a thin crust out of this, cut it into 2 balls once it's thawed. But we like this style right here. I'll get it about the size of the peel. Yeah, the longer you let the dough set at room temperature like that after it's thawed, I think the easier and happier you're going to be with it. A little more cornmeal, I can feel it kind of sticking to the peel. The table's a little low out here to be working on it like this. A little more cornmeal. I like a lot of sauce, more sauce than cheese. I don't really worry about what shape they are. Alright, stir on some of these guys. I do like my toppings spread even on the pizza. So that's good. Like a little cheese on the bottom now. Not a lot. Like a little bit of meat on the bottom. Kind of do it in 3 layers, 2 different times, so to speak. Except only 1 layer with the sauce. Pepperonis. Okay, just a little bit of raw onion. Pepperoncinos. Delicious. Love pepperoncinos on pizza. Trying to keep it all even also. Alright, more cheese. See, this is a thicker pizza. I'm going to cook it probably about 450 for 20 minutes. And I always like a few pepperonis across the top to get crispy. There we go. The thing that I do to keep the pizza from being a catastrophe on your stone, trying to get it off the peel, I'll just cook it on the peel for about the first 10 minutes.
Just going to leave it right on the peel like that. Until I can start feeling it move around on that peel. Probably be about 10 minutes. So I'm just a little over 400 degrees. Go ahead and start my timer. See, my burners also are almost turned all the way down. We're going to turn them up just a bit to bring it up to closer to 450. 500 degrees. Almost 11 minutes in. Pizza's still on the peel. We're running right at 400. Alright, I was able to get the pizza right off the peel, not a problem. So it's directly on the stone. This is a thicker pizza, a thicker crust also, so it's not going to be one of those 7-8 minute pizzas at 500 degrees. So we're going to shoot for around 450. We're almost there now, so I'll rotate it 180 degrees a couple times, and eventually I'll have to lift it up to brown the top. 21 minutes. I did rotate it once 180 degrees during that, before that last shot. This crust rose a little longer than I normally let it at room temp, so probably cook about 30 minutes. Here we are at 27 minutes. Pizza oven's come up a little bit in temp, about 55 degrees. Remember, I did turn the burners up just a little bit. Let's go ahead and give you a peek at the crust. You can see that on camera. It's definitely looking nice. I did hold it up for a little bit, probably about a total of a minute. Held it at the top of the oven, you know, like so. Do that to kind of keep it cooking evenly. I think we'll let her go another minute or two. There we go, a minute or two later, I just rotated the pizza 180 degrees. You can see how the backside cooks hotter. Oven's still right at 450. A little bit hotter, I guess. "32 minutes, we're calling this pizza done." It is done. I like mine with extra sauce, well done, light on the cheese. I'm sure all of you out there don't like it that way, but well, the pizza's had a few minutes to cool. Let's go ahead and cut into it. I don't know if it's wise to cut on the end of this stove like this. The crust nice and airy, completely cooked. There we go, awesome pizza. We are going to enjoy. Hope you liked the video. If you want to check out some more Camp Chef products, click on the link below. There you go, that's what's left of the pizza. It was really good. Nice crispy pepperoni, that's why I put the veal on top and the sausage on top. Crust was done perfect. Awesome sauce. You can see the crust has some nice air holes in it yet, because I didn't beat it all up when I rolled it out or formed it. Thanks for watching. Start your cooking outdoors.